In this video, I'm going to do the inverse. So let's call this example 3. And this time, instead of calling it f or g, I'm going to call my function h of x. So h of x is equal to negative 2x minus 4. And the question is simply find the inverse function. And you'll note that this time I didn't write h of negative 1 of x, but if I write find the inverse function, that's exactly what I mean. I'm basically asking you to find h of inverse of x. So I don't have to write that down. I'm just, it should be clear that if I'm asking you to find the inverse function, your final answer should be whatever this function letter is, and then with a little negative 1 on top. So let's do it. So remember, step 1 was we have to write everything in terms of y and x. So y is equal to negative 2x minus 4. Step 2 is where we have to switch the x and y. So this y becomes x, negative 2. This x now becomes y, and minus 4. Next, we have to solve for y. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 4 to both sides because I have to get rid of this constant. So it's going to become x plus 4 is equal to negative 2y. And the final step is I need to just isolate the y, so I have to divide by negative 2 on both sides. So y is equal to x plus 4 divided by negative 2. And remember, that's not our final step. We want the inverse function, which in other words, we want it in terms of h, because that's our original letter here, and we want a little negative 1 on top. So I'm going to write h of negative 1 of x is equal to x plus 4 divided by negative 2, and that's my final answer. I'll see you in the next video.